Today I'll be showing you how to clean your air filter if you haven't, and specifically for the cold air intake style ones that have the cotton filters rather than the paper interchangeable ones. Because these ones, all you're supposed to do is just clean it and you're good to keep using it. With the other ones, you're going to have to use it and then just keep continually replacing it if they're the paper ones from the factory. So I'm going to be using the kit from K&N. I bought this over at my local auto parts. This isn't sponsored or anything, but the first thing you're going to do is you're going to, well, one, spray off all the debris using air of some kind, and then you're going to spray this all over the filter itself and let it soak in for 10 minutes. Then you're going to rinse it and then let it dry, and then depending on your manufacturer, if yours is an oil based filter, you'll be taking the filter oil and putting a light coating all over the ribs of it and just getting it nice and even. Mine, however, is the Roush one, and it says specifically on the top of it, dry filter, do not oil. Show you guys right there. So all I'm going to be doing is cleaning off all the loose dirt and debris, and then using this cleaner and some water, and then I'm just letting it air dry. So really that's about it. You have to let this soak in for about 10 minutes, and then after you apply this, it'll also soak in for about 20. So it's a really easy process overall. It's just a little time consuming since you have to wait around just for the materials to do their thing. But that's really about it. I'll just do a demonstration on the cleaning procedures on this, and that'll be that. First is I'm going to spray all the junk out with air. After you've blown all the loose debris out of your filter here, you're going to take the filter cleaner and spray it all over, and you're supposed to let it soak for about 10 minutes. All this stuff is designed to do is break up all the grime and bugs and dirt and whatever your filter accumulates over the time that you've been driving it. You're also not supposed to let this stuff dry on the filter, so after you're done spraying it down, you're supposed to go ahead and rinse the whole filter out with just water. So gonna spray this and then let it soak for a bit, and we'll come back. Spray a little on the inside as well. And then just let it sit and soak for a bit. Alright, so after about 10 minutes has gone by and you've let it soak, you're going to rinse it out with cold water and low pressure, just to make sure all the grime gets out of here. Just thought about it, if you go from the top of the channels, there's more space going down, so it's easier for all the gunk to get out. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but once the inside of your channels look like everything else and all the dust is cleaned out, you're good to let it dry. Because you have to let it dry thoroughly before the next step which is placing the oil in between all of the channels. So you can either let it air dry naturally, or you can use compressed air or a leaf blower if you have that as well, in order to dry it quicker. Alright, so after you've let your filter dry, you're going to take the supplied oil and you're going to spray it along the top and get all the way down and make sure there's a nice even coating. And then you're going to let it sit for about 20 minutes and then that's it. Alright everybody, well that's the end of the video. If there's anything in there that you enjoyed, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. It'll help me be able to grow the channel and provide more content in the future. And I hope to see you guys around in the next one. Bye-bye.